Okay guys, second last video for work studies. This time we're going to talk about some legal issues. Okay, so the first one we've got is contracts and commitments. So basically a contract is a written or spoken agreement, especially concerning employment, that is intended to be enforceable by law. Okay, so before you start any job you'll sign a contract. When you get a loan or anything like that, you'll be required to sign a contract which sets out a whole heap of guidelines that you need to follow in regards to that contract. The commitment part, so when you've got your contract, inside that contract there's going to be a whole heap of things that you need to do in order to say, to follow the guidelines of that contract. Okay, so that's what we mean by the commitments. The next one, unlawful acts and possible implications. So basically an unlawful act is anything that contradicts a law. Okay, so this might be a road rule, it could be any number of things, fraud, anything that there is a law set out for that you break. Okay, this is an unlawful act. Implications of these acts can vary greatly. So for minor things like traffic infringements, a fine repeated though could lead to further. So that's where we've got our good behaviour bonds or jail time. So again, the implications all depend on the severity of the act, and if you've got a good record, if you've got a really bad record, sometimes the implications can be a bit more severe. Okay. And lastly, I got a very short slideshow today. We've just got avoiding problems and getting assistance with the law. Okay, so the most simple way to avoid problems with the law, okay, you need to understand your rights and responsibilities in the community. So what you are legally able to do and what you're not able to do. The next part of getting assistance with law, so this kind of fits in with avoiding problems. You are able to contact or consult a professional if you're not sure of your legal understanding. So I've got down there legal aid. So legal aid, you can speak with a lawyer for a short period of time and they will give you free legal advice on a range of different issues that you might have. You are only able to get it's for a very short period of time. So they obviously won't be able to go into a great deal of depth, but it gives you a bit of an idea of what you are allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. So you are able. This can give you a way of following up on it, if you need to with somebody else.